Hey guys, I am back, and this will technically be the first Stitch Fix video of September, but technically this is a quick fix. This is an official quick fix. August got a little weird. I think July got a little weird where I was just getting 2 fixes per month. I wasn't gonna fight it because I love me a good Stitch Fix. Someone in my comments did ask in my last video what the difference was between a normal fix and a quick fix. And basically, you know, hypothetically, every month you get a Stitch Fix where your stylist picks out 5 items for you, and then you return whatever you don't like, pay for what you keep, all that good stuff. But sometimes when you're in the checkout process and you know, you finish checking out, be like, that was great. How about a quick fix in addition to your normal fix? And I'm a sucker. I always say yes. And the nice thing about being on Style Pass is that if I hate everything in this box, guess what? I don't have to pay for it. I already paid for the entire year, and I just return everything. For those of you who aren't aware, you normally pay a $20 monthly styling fee for your stylist to pick out everything that's curated for you. You do fill out a little style quiz, and then they send it to you in a box, and then you return what you don't keep. Like I said, they'll send you the prepaid mailer. However, after a couple months, usually they offer you the option to enroll in what is called Style Pass, where instead of paying $20 per month, you'll pay $50 per year. Anyways, now that we got all the business over with, let's look at this chunky box. So I will say, I did stick with my stylist, which I want to say her name is Holly. As far as what she asked for, like what I'm looking for, I told her we're literally leaving on a road trip in like 2 or 3 days. We're going way up north to South Dakota, and I told her I was gonna freeze and die. So basically, kind of like the last box, I kind of asked for athleisure wear or something that would be comfy on a road trip. For this box, I didn't specify specifically athleisure wear. I did just say, like, you know what, free game, whatever you think would be great for like road tripping. Surprise me. And also I'm gonna freeze to death, so maybe something warmer. So anyways, let's see what she picked. It is a thicker box, so I'm guessing there are some sweaters in here. I think this might be the biggest box I've gotten yet, which is weird because I started doing Stitch Fix in January. It's probably not the biggest. Anyways, well, that is a thick bundle. Kind of heavy. Oh, look at all those cozy looking items. She took my feedback to heart. But first, here's the prepaid mailer. You can send everything back. Let's look at the note my stylist sent me. And then there is also the invoice in here. I don't like to look at it until the very end though, because I don't want Stitch Fix's perception of what they think everything's worth to alter what I think it's worth. Anyways, let's look at this card. So this card has everything that your stylist has picked out for you, as well as how they suggest how to wear every item. So let's read the note from my stylist. Hi Amanda, thank you for your feedback. I am so jealous of your trip to South Dakota. For this fix, I'm going to send you some second layer options to keep you warm on your trip, but also so you can use back in Texas in AC'd offices and buildings. There. I don't work inside, but sometimes when I'm running errands, I feel like I'm gonna die because I'm acclimated to working outside in 100 or 110 degrees. Anyways, first, let me know what you think of the adorable blush cargo jacket for your trip. If it's not cold enough for a jacket, enjoy the 2 extra soft cardigans. You can wear these perfectly with leggings or with the dark skinny jeans. There might be a typo in this. Maybe she meant or with the dark skinny jeans I included in the last fix. That's what I was thinking. Lastly, I love bringing a staple cozy tee with me on vacation, so try the black knit top. As always, please leave feedback for each item so I can send pieces you will just love. Is there anything else you would love to have or to try on for your trip? Any items for you when you get home? Let me know. All the best, Holly. Yay, I remembered her name. Anyways, let's dive on into this bundle. And like I said, we're not looking at that invoice until later because no. Is it possibly denial? Maybe. Anyways, so this is the first item. I think this is the cozy tee she was referring to. It does kind of look a little bit like a dolman, maybe? Is that the word for it? So it does look like it's a little bit tighter around the waist, and then it gets looser as you go up top, and then it'll also be tight around the sleeves. This has a lot of potential, and it is really cozy. So I'm excited about this. The next thing is this beautiful, just cozy, I'm ready for fall. This looks like a staple fall piece. So it is a cardigan, a little beige cardigan. It does look a little similar to the one they sent me last spring, which maybe I'll try to link that video right here if I'm smart. It's the same color, it's just a different design, and this one has pockets, which I don't think that one did. But otherwise it looks very similar. So we'll just have to see about that, because if it's not significantly different than the one they sent me last spring, then there's no really reason to buy it, am I right? The next thing I'm seeing, it's this kind of like brown, it doesn't kind of show it on the camera, but it almost has like a little bit of an orangey, almost pumpkin spice feel to it. And there's these little speckles of like different random colors. I'm gonna call them like rainbow. They're kind of like rainbow sprinkles. That's what I'm gonna call them. Anyways, I'm guessing this is another, yes, this is another cardigan. And this looks extra cozy. Ooh, it's exciting. It's that style where it looks like it's like unfinished on the outside, but like purposely unfinished. And then it also has pockets, and it also has these little sleeves that are a little cinched right here. Oh, this would also be a beautiful fall staple piece. I'd be able to layer it with a lot of different things. I'm excited about that. Next are the pants, which I believe she called them skinny jean. Oh, there's some distressing on the back pockets. Ooh, and there's a lot of different distressing and holes on the front, but all artfully done. These are cute. And they do look high-waisted pants. I have a difficult time with pants because I'm a little curvy. So we'll see about that. And then lastly, this must be the blush cargo jacket she was talking about. Let's see. Oh, it has a hood. That's nice. And then, oh, lots of places to store things with all of these pockets. Does it have a cinched waist? It does not, question mark. I'm just confused because it looks like there's this line. It feels like there's a rope in the middle. I just don't see where like a rope would come out so you can cinch it around your waist, unless that's just elastic, which that might be the case. I am going to open this up and see if maybe there's a tie on the inside, question mark. I have a feeling this one's going to be expensive. Okay, yes, there is a little rope on the inside, so you can kind of cinch it around the waist, maybe make it a little bit more form flattering. Anyways, let's go try all this on. First, we are going to start with the top, the tee that Holly sent me. It's very flattering, and it has those kind of like parachute arms. It's that dolman style top. I love dolman style tops. I think they're amazing. I think they are just super flattering on like probably every body type. Again, I know nothing, but I'm just gonna say and make a blanket statement that they are flattering on every body type. And I love this. It is very cozy. I'm just afraid of the price. Now we will pan down to the jeans in just a second, because these are the jeans that were sent with them. It fits very well in the waist, so I'll give them that. So here are the rest of the pants. They are just a tad too long, so I did have to cuff them at the bottom. I have short legs. I'm long-waisted and have short legs, so that's a problem for me specifically. They aren't too tight. They are somewhat similar to the pants that they sent me in the last box, just in the facet that they're kind of like borderline jegging, but these are more on the spectrum between jegging and jean. These are closer to the jean on the jegging spectrum, if you will. So my only issue with it is that I have to cuff it at the bottom. I'm not super thrilled about it. Mike looked at them because he loves when I film these videos, and he was concerned that all these holes might mean that the jeans don't last as long, but we'll see. Again, I think it's gonna come down to price, and depending on whether or not I fall in love with everything or not. Let's try on some other stuff. So here is the cardigan. I'm gonna call this the Rainbow Sprinkle cardigan. Maybe you can get a better look at what I'm talking about right here. So I love this. It is super cozy, it's super warm. It has these pockets that are super nice. I think the length is perfect. It's the kind where you can just like, you know, secure it around your waist and be super cuddly and warm. Again, this one is mostly going to be based on price as to whether or not I keep it, because it's cute and I don't quite have anything like this in my wardrobe at the moment. So this is the other cardigan that Holly sent. So not super in love with it. It is a good basic. It does have these nice pockeys right here, but it's not nearly as thick as that brown cardigan with the rainbow sprinkles that we just tried on. However, it is very, very similar and reminiscent to another cardigan that they sent me last spring, which I actually got out for reference. I actually like this cardigan more. It's a little bit more form flattering. It has about the same amount of like heat trap intensity, whatever you want to work. I'm trying to say this is just about as warm as this one. You know, this one's just a little bit more flattering. I think it's a little cuter because of that design on the back. The only difference is this one that they sent me last spring does not have any pockets. So this one is getting sent back. So here is the cargo jacket. I was a little skeptical about this because the color, I wasn't sure if I'd like the color or not. I thought it might be too like preteenish, but I think it's perfect actually. I love the drawstring in the middle because it does accentuate everything. I think this is a very good wind block, and I think this is something I could wear for literal like years on years on years because of the quality of this fabric. So as you may guess, I'm very scared to see what the price is on this thing. And I love that it comes with a hood. I feel like jackets never come with hoods anymore. Is that just me? It might just be me. Anyways, let's go break down that invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice. I'm scared. It'd probably help if I actually had the invoice instead of the style card. But like I said, I'm a little scared because there are definitely some items in this fix that I love, but I think they're gonna be money. So we'll see. We're about to go on vacation and about to spend a lot of money, so I don't really want to spend a bunch of money before I spend a bunch of money, if that makes sense. So this cargo jacket, oh, it's $88. Oh, I could honestly like sit here for 5 minutes making those awkward like wheezing noises. So maybe I'll just save you guys all that and I'll move on, but oh, it's painful. Anyways, the jeans are $58. The beige cardigan that looked a lot like the other cardigan they already sent me last spring is $44. They are calling it the Wells Confetti cardigan, or I'm calling it the Rainbow Sprinkle cardigan. They're calling it a burnt orange color, so my eyes weren't lying when I said it came off a little orange in person. That is $48. And then that tee that they sent me was $58, which is really expensive for a tee, but it's a very cute dolman top. So in total, everything is $296. However, if I were to keep all 5 items, there is a buy all discount of 25%. That subtracts $74. And so if I kept all 5 items, it'd be $222, which that's a lot of money. Like I said, I want to spend a lot of money before I spend a lot of money. So I'm definitely gonna have to think about this for a day or two before I return it. I don't have a whole lot of time to return it because like we're leaving in literally like a day or two. So yeah, anyways, if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked this video, consider doing all the things that you support me and support my channel, like subscribing and liking and or did I already say subscribing? Maybe you should subscribe or hit the notification bell when you do subscribe. And if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral code below. If you use it, you will get $25 off. Just to be completely honest and open about it, I will also get a $25 kind of little bonus in return. So that way, if I were to find something in my next fix that I really like, I can think about using that bonus $25 off. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Winter is coming. I'm just saying that because I'm leaving Texas and I'm gonna freeze to death. Have a good day.